Hi, my name is Mary Zupke. I'm a registered dietitian at Northwestern Medicine and here at Living Well with another episode of Quick Bites. Today we're going to be we're packing a picnic. So we have several things to show you using a lot of our fresh ingredients. And the first thing that we're going to be making is a Thai chicken wrap. So I've already kind of mixed things together here. We have I wanted to talk about a couple of the ingredients in this particular recipe. And as you know, all of the recipes are on the Living Well website. So you can go to the culinary recipes and find all the Quick Bites recipes, as well as a lot of other good Mediterranean style recipes that we've been using in our cooking classes. So check that out. So this particular sauce has a lot of yummy ingredients. And a couple of them are a couple of secret ones that you can keep in your pantry would be the coconut milk, and then also the red chili paste. So these things you can use in several different kinds of recipes, but it's not a bad idea to have a few specialized items in your pantry so that you can make things a little bit fancy, even if we're using leftover chicken. So today we have, I actually was able to find a roasted chicken, so we were able to do that. But if you don't and you just have chicken at home, you can bake that and then chop it up and use it like you're making a chicken salad. This is a Thai chicken salad, so it has a peanut sauce, and we use a very healthy, crunchy peanut butter. Now this one has the liquid on the top and you have to stir it, but it does have, it doesn't have a lot of additives like some of the other peanut butters. And one trick for this is if you mix it together, when you first open it and store it in the refrigerator, it doesn't separate. So you don't have to worry about that separation, and it does give you a really healthy choice, nice plant-based protein. So we have some yummy ingredients in here. And then we are going to use a whole grain wrap for this particular sandwich today. And the whole grain is going to give us more of that fiber that we need. I'll just put it in here. And then because we are Mediterranean based and we are trying to increase our fruits and vegetables, we're going to add some crunch with these carrots here. And you can chop them up into little celery stick shapes if you want to. And then we're going to use some fresh cucumber. And we have some fresh cilantro in the mix already, but we're going to add some on top as well. What a beautiful thing. And then if you want, you can use a little bit of fresh lime on top just to give it that little extra. And then for a little bit extra crunch, you can use sesame seeds. And that's giving you a little bit more of those omega-3s, which is really helpful. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna roll this up. And then if you use, what you can do is put a toothpick on either side, and that'll help keep it together. And then use a serrated knife to cut it. And then you have a beautiful little chicken wrap there. So if you want, you can also wrap these in parchment, and then you can cut right through with that serrated knife in the parchment, and you can cut it right in half, and it'll be an easy way to eat it once you get to your picnic. So the other things that we have today, we have a little cucumber watermelon feta appetizer that you can take with you. And then we have a lovely melon drink. Now melons are chock full of antioxidants. They have some good potassium, magnesium. What we did was puree the honeydew melon, and then we have a green tea that we steeped with fresh mint. And so you blend that all together in the blender and make a beautiful little beverage for your picnic. Right now I have it showing here with the straw and the melon and the mint, but you can also put the jar lid on there, put those in your cooler, and then pop them out when you're ready. So green tea also has some lovely antioxidants, and you are ready for your picnic. I hope you have a good time, and thanks for joining me today. Have a great day.